Hello and welcome to Asan Hai Education. In this video, we will see the pendency of cases in Indian judiciary at different level in Supreme Court, High Court and Subordinate Court. We will see what is the pendency of what is the status of pending of the cases in different parts of the Indian judiciary. So let us see. There are more than 3 crore cases pending in the different courts of India. So there are more than 3 crore cases which are pending in different courts of India. Many of these cases are pending for more than 10 years. So the cases which are pending in different courts are more than 3 crore cases, and there are many cases which are pending for more than 10 years. So let us see the approximate number of cases which are pending in Supreme Court, High Court and District Court and Subordinate Court. Okay, so let us see. See, around 60,000 cases are pending in the Supreme Court. Around 42 lakh cases are pending in different High Court, and there are 25 High Court at present time. And around 2.7 crore cases pending in District and Subordinate Court. So if you count all these cases which are pending at different level, for example, Supreme Court and 25 different High Court and District and Subordinate Court, it comes more than 3 crore cases. Okay, so if you count all these, this comes up to 3 crore cases. So in this video, what we have seen the pendency of cases which exist in Indian judiciary at different levels. More than 60,000 cases are pending in Supreme Court. More than 42 lakh cases are pending in different high courts, and presently India has 25 high court, and around 2.7 crore cases are pending in district and subordinate court. And this is the data which I have quoted from PRS Legislative. Okay, PRS Legislative Research. This data has been taken from the PRS Legislative Research. An overview was done on the pendency of cases in Indian judiciary. So this can come very handy when you are writing any question related to efficacy of Indian judiciary. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.